again, welcome to our subject Techno Apps. I'm your teacher, Shalme W. Pareha. So for this week's topic, we have the following. So we have electronic lock system. This topic is still under our Techno Gadget subject. Electronic lock system. Our situation for this week. A newly opened hotel wanted to install a lock system that allows guests as well as hotel staff to enter and exit all doors keyless. So as their building contractor, you suggested to build an electronic lock system in each room and common areas. An electronic lock operates using electrical actuator rather than the traditional lock that uses mechanical system, and this technology has been popular over the years. This system can help save time and money as the hotel will not be using traditional keys to give each guest and staff. So we all know that nowadays security systems are on high demand. Having security system in a place provides peace of mind since you never know when your home can be target of burglary. So electronic lock system is one of the most popular security system for many applications. It comes in a variety of types and designs to meet a wide range of security needs. So electronic lock system. So the electronic lock system are secure locking devices that function by means of an electrical current. Electronic locks use magnets, solenoids, or motors to actuate the lock by an electric impulse which may be triggered in a number of ways like RF card, biometrics, and the others. But the most common form is the numeric keypad. So in our example, electronic lock called standalone lock, it has an embedded electronic control attached directly to the lock itself. So operated by means of numerical keypad when the combination of 4 to 6 or 6-digit code pressed into the keypad in correct order. So the signal will be transmitted and a light or tone indicates that the lock is released. So using numeric keypad for our lock system. So as you can see here on our example. So numeric keypad is an input device arranged in a block manner. It usually contains digits, symbols, and even alphabetical characters. These buttons are arranged in a matrix form to provide a range of data depending on their combined states or the combinations of the data. So usually in a small palm size, common numeric keypad has 12 buttons arranged in a telephone line like 3 by 4, 4 by 3, or 4 by 4 grids. So as you can see here on our sample. So for this sample, this is a 4 by 3, which means 4 rows and 3 column matrix keypad that usually used in prototyping because it can be connected directly in our microcontroller platform pins. So you can use Tinkercad for the simulation. So it is made of membrane material with adhesive backing so you can attach it to any surface and 7 female pins. So using this kind of keypad can save you in a lot of constructing projects that needed a lot of buttons. So again, this is a 4 by 3 matrix keypad. Now, let's proceed on identifying our keypad pins. So the buttons are set up in a matrix format, and this allows a microcontroller to read the 7 digital pins. So again, we have 4 rows and 3 columns, while the 12 buttons is being pressed. So we have here rows and the columns, and then the matrix circuit, also the digital symbol, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and then asterisk, and then the tag sign or the hashtag, if you know it as a hashtag or the tag sign. Next, we have the row and then the column pin. So the next is mounting the keypad to our Arduino. So in your keypad, the first 4 pins are what we call the row pins, and the next 3 pins are what we call the column pins. So we need to connect row pins to analog pins, which is A0 to A3, and column pins to any digital pins. So you can use analog input pins as digital pins where there is no digital pins available. So A0 to A5 is equal to diode 14 to 19. So that is how we connect our keypad to our Arduino board. Next, we have here the keypad library. So the keypad library allows us to connect a matrix style keypad into our Arduino. So this one is on the programming part. So in a keypad library, you won't need external resistors or diodes to connect in your keypad because it uses internal pulp resistor to ensure all unused column pins are safe and in high impedance. So that is our keypad library. Now let's proceed answering our objective test and performance test for this week. So if you have any questions, clarifications, or suggestions to improve our video lessons, do not hesitate to contact me on my email, my contact number, my Facebook account, and my MS Teams account. Always remember to stay safe and happy learning, everyone. Thank you very much.